Jonathan here with Darrow, Kia, Madison. I just wanted to do a quick video today on how to put your seats down for more storage space. So I'm standing here in front of a 2021 Kia Sorento S Hybrid. Now, back here, with any Kia model with a third row, you'll have this nice and simple system for getting it up and down. Little pull tabs. Now, what's really cool with pretty much all the third row Kia models that we have now, the Sorento, the Telluride, you're going to have a couple little buttons if you look over here. And if you want extra storage space, but you don't want to walk all the way up to your second row to pop them down, you have these buttons, L and R. You can push them to pop down your second row all the way from the back. And you can access this entire amount of cargo hold without having to walk up to the second row and manually put the seats down. And what's even more exciting about this car is that you can do all of this and have all this space inside your car while getting 39 miles a gallon. So call or stop by today, come check it out.